Hi, my name is Karl Soule. I focus on film and television workflows here at Adobe, and in this short video, we are going to be talking all about the use of effects when using color mode in Premiere. Using standard Premiere effects doesn't require going back to the edit mode. You can actually use those same effects right here inside of color mode. To do this, you'll need to go up to the window menu and find the effects panel and just make sure and add that to your workspace. I kind of like having it over here next to the clip bin so that I can quickly and easily decide which clips I want to apply effects to. Now I'm looking for a particular type of glow that I want to add to this clip, and so I'm just going to use the effects panel. I'll type in glow in the search window, and there happens to be a wonderful effect called Wonder Glow. I'm going to go ahead and take that. Now I can drag and drop it, or I can simply double click on it to add the effect to my currently selected clip. If I want to play with the controls and adjust the controls of the effect, I need to add one more panel. That is the effect controls panel. And I'm going to go ahead and just share the real estate between these two panels here. Will give me just a little bit more room by dragging this over. And you'll see here is the Wonder Glow effect. And by clicking the Surprise Me button, I can come up with and see, whoa, there's something. Actually, I kind of like that. That one has kind of this nice milky kind of cloud look to it. So that might be an effect that I want to work with and play with further with these different values. So I can come in here and maybe just lower the vibrance just a touch and play with this ambient value here and just kind of lower that just a little bit as well. So I have full control over all the different parameters of the effect. And if need be, I can use keyframes and animate this further. Now, if you're going to be using effects on a regular basis inside of color mode, why not add it as an overall workspace? Simply go to where it says color up at the top and go ahead and use the Save as New Workspace command to add this. In fact, I've already done this so that if I reset my current layout, I can go ahead and just click on this and use the effects workspace that I've already created, and that stacks everything right here for me. Hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching.